today I'm gonna open this toy for the review, and it's gonna be so fun. Okay, it's open. You can move the wings, move the arms, and when you unbox it, you have to put the batteries in. You have to put batteries in, they're not included. Welcome, and now I'm gonna turn it on. That's what it does. And if it roars the second time, it releases like a light out of the mouth. It will wait for it. See, the light? You can move its arms and wings to whatever position you like. But be careful, the mechanism is hiding under the tail. And this is the on and off switch. These are the speakers. This is the mouth. These are the wheels that help it walk. And these are the wheels that help it balance while it walks. This is another balance wheel, which helps it move more. Battery compartment. The legs, which make it walk. And the next moves like this when it goes. But I recommend not doing that because it could break the toy. You can move the arms definitely because they're really soft and they're not really part of the mechanism. So if you break one, it won't affect the dragon in any way. And so is the wings. The wings sometimes sometimes you can like pull the wings off when the toy gets older. The wings just pops off when it gets older sometimes because the wings are not really part of their joint. And its eyes are so realistic. Okay. These are some scratch marks. The other side does not have those scratchy marks. Okay guys, now we're gonna unbox the snake. Now we're gonna pull the snake. There it is, the black snake. These help it move. This is the rest of the body, except this is not the mechanism. It's not part of the mechanism. Like, this part of the body is the mechanism, this rest is not. And this is the main thing that helps it move. This is the on switch. This is the wheels that will help it move. If you get some hair in them, just pull the hair out. If you want to add the batteries in, just push this out and open it with a screw and put your batteries in. And to put it back in, you just put it like that. The eyes move sideways every time you turn it on, and the tongue just goes out too. This just controls the wheels. They have so many more colors of the snake. They have like orange ones. They have so many of them. These are the wheels that help it go slither like the S shape. It just goes like this and this. It can't go backwards, but it can definitely go forwards. And I'm not sure if it moves like this, but it still slithers in a way. Maybe it does this, I don't know.
Now me and my little brother are playing with all our robot animals that walk. That's the dragon.
Oh my gosh! boss snake. You can actually raise up.